Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be of the cut. Why do I keep saying cut this? Of the classic Caprice GlassHouse, Chevy Caprice GlassHouse. So today's video is going to be about the top. Yesterday you guys seen us sanding it down, and cleaning the top, getting it prepped for today's video. So today what we're going to be doing is going to be putting the top on. If you guys didn't see the skin yesterday, it is a crocodile skin. It is leather. It is yeah. My little boy is over here chilling. So yeah, so today he's gonna be measuring it out, putting it on, and I'll show you guys the works of that. If you guys are new to this video, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and subscribe. But yeah, if you guys are not new to this channel, welcome back. I look busted as fuck, sorry about that. But yeah guys, welcome back and welcome to the Espinosa family. Go ahead. Yeah.
What the fuck is that? From my face.
So guys, you guys see how he measured it out? That's my dog barking. So he already measured out this piece. Now we're just trying to fit it. What?
Why'd you pull it?
Because it's so fucking not.
Well, fucking doing something over here. You just pulled it.
You're just gonna be seeing raw footage. I'm not gonna be cutting nothing out. You're just gonna hear us either arguing, talking shit to each other. But yeah. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I think it's like fabric. He turns 2 months today.
Is that?
Yeah, we have the lights on for him, so he's watching the lights. You guys hear my dog? He is not used to being in the back. Hi, Dada. Who turns 2 months today? The little daddy does, huh? Yeah, Papa, she does. Who turns 2 months today? You do. He's gonna be doing 2 parts to the top.
Welcome to another episode of Custom Spray Mods, supported by
That again.
that time again, 25% off for Black Friday.
I'll tell you guys what he said. He said, I think I'm not doing it right because of this dumbass music.
This shit just got that feel like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like God, you feel me? Like, you know? Really focus on this money, can we hurry up? They say cash money want me, I didn't heard enough. Really well protected, I don't worry now. And if they don't be for the beef, then I'ma serve him out. Caught your little KD with Steph Curry now. All we know is they ain't never learned to run.
He is covering up the window so the adhesive won't get on there. That's what we're doing. Work in progress. Work in fucking progress. I almost smacked my head, guys. You want to make sure that it has a full, nice, thick batter, or whatever the fuck you want to call it, on there.
baby. They keep that bitch. Treat her just like a slave. And I pain. She gotta pay. Fuck the dick. Get a little brave. I can't hear my life. But she ain't for these nuts. Run it up. She tryna run it up. She tryna run it up. She tryna run it up. They tryna run it up. She tryna run it up. We bout to run it up. So we gotta run it up. Run it up.
It's cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna fast forward through all this and I'll show you guys when it's all set and done.